So there's also the last thing in Lab7. It is initiating a backup process on Windows 7. So we log in as sysadmin. We log in. We go to Start, All Program, Maintenance, Backup and Restore. Click on that, and we see right here there's a Setup Backup. Click on that. It's gonna scan a little bit, and you will see right here data E drive recommended 19.91 gigabyte, and see this. So hit next, and its default is /window choose, but you want to choose, so click on let me choose. Hit next, then you select all the check box, and then under you want to uncheck it. Uncheck the include system image of drive. So hit on next. So you will see click on save setting and run backup. Okay, now it's gonna back up. Usually it's gonna take about 4 minutes. So I'm gonna skip this one. So the backup is done. So now we want to test the backup. So on the desktop, let's have a file named install. So let's have a several program in there. We want to right click at the folder, hit delete, yes, and then we even want to empty recycle bin. Hit on yes. So now we lost the file. What should we do? So we go into that backup and restore your file. You hit on restore my file. Click on that. So you want to browser for folder, and then see right here there's a sysadmin backup. You have desktop, and you will see your file here, install. Right, click on add folder. Okay, and then hit next. Let's say in the original location, yes, we restore. And it's gonna restore the file. Say your file has been restored, and then hit finish. Yep, that's how you restore a file that you accidentally deleted, but it's only in the situation that you already back up your file. There's no way you can restore a file that you never back up. So there's always it's a good thing to back up your file. So if there's any accident, you can restore your own file.